Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a brief one today, just going to show you a couple of the early signs of spring that we've seen recently. We've got a few things starting to put out their very first flowers. So a really nice kind of sign that spring is on its way. What we'll do is just take a little walk around and give you a little look at some of those. One thing guys, there is a video coming out soon regarding an update on the pond project. You can just see a bit more rock there. I won't say too much on this video, but certainly keep an eye out for that. But just as we come around here guys, one of the large camellias here really starting to push out. You can almost see if I come into here guys, you know, the buds are really starting to open up. As we come around, I'll just show you here guys, another one good sign we've got the Mascari just starting to put out its first sort of flowers. You've also got the bluebells coming up, but no flowers on those yet. A couple more of the Mascari here just starting to come into growth, which again, they're always the kind of first ones to really put anything out in the garden. As we come down here guys, the Pieris forestii, lovely little white flowers on that you can just see there. Starting to come out again, first sort of signs. Generally it will flower, and then that's when you kind of get that kind of fiery red growth on it here. Just as we pan around here guys, just want to show you as well, of course guys, you got your standard daffodils, which I'm sure all of us sort of have at the moment. Not really kind of classing those into this video. Just as we come down here though, one that again of course I'm very pleased to see guys, is the camellia. So we've got our first lovely flower on the camellia there, and we'll just see if I can get a good zoom in on it. Really nice. You can see others just starting to come out here. You know, so it's a really good sign. I think over the next week or two, this one is really going to come to life here. So looking forward to that. Another one here, guys. Interestingly, again, not really counting it, but these generally die back for the year. I never, you know, it's an annual for me, but it has kind of pretty much been in flower all year. So interesting to see, again, kind of showing the signs that we have had slightly milder winter. Now this one, guys, you might have to help me out on. Completely forgot the name of this. It does kind of put off these lovely little flowers in the spring. The whole kind of thing basically turns into a flower show. So another one there. If you could do another name, please drop that in the comments for me guys. Again, I think in a lot of cases guys, I've planted things, completely forgot what it is. You know, and you start to remember it when it does start to kind of come back to life. As we come around here guys, just to show you as well, you know, at the moment you can see lots of mess in the garden, but we are going to be kind of doing the big spring tidy just after this following week, as it does appear. We should be not really going much below zero again after that. Again, always keeping an eye on the weather here, just to make sure. But with that said guys, if you have not checked out our friends of the channel, there'll be a link in the comments below. Our friend of the channel today, Tropical MK, great channel, go over, check him out. Lots of great videos on things like propagation, absolutely beautiful tropical style garden. I will leave his October tour on the end screen, so certainly check out that video. Really shows the garden in kind of peak growth. Again, it's always kind of nice to see kind of what we're moving towards guys, towards the end, you know, as we come into spring. Looking forward to getting our summer displays out again, so certainly go check out Tropical Grow Tropical MK. Again, really a great channel, and show our friends of the channel some support. Of course, if you're not subscribed already, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community, and with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.